Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how to create this beautiful silver eye look. So let's get into the video. So firstly I'm gonna take light brown eyeshadow and apply it all over my lid with the help of fluffy brush. Then take a darker shade from that shade and apply it all over your eyebrow bone. Make a shape and just spread it all over that shape by maintaining the same. After the application of the both eyeshadow gracefully, now I am going to take a darker shade of the brown eyeshadow. Now take a deep eyeshadow after blending that eyeshadow. Now make a cut crease eye design so that you can spread all over the eyeshadow upwards to the cut crease area. After making the cut crease, now I am blending the both. Now I am taking the same eyeshadow and making outer V. After applying the eyeshadow, now I am making it darker with the help of the eyeliner. Here I am using the Mars eyeliner. After this, now I am taking the inside liquid eyeshadow in a silver shade and applying it all over my lid to give the beautiful look. Also apply this shade in outer V and in the gap. Now I am applying very thin liner of Lakme Ultimate Glam eyeliner. To give the precise look, here I am using the silver eyeliner and making the outlining. To make it more precise silver look, I am using the cream silver glitter on my both the eyelid. Applying the highlighter on eyebrow bone. Then I am taking the deep brown shade and applying it on my lower lash to get the more precise look. In order to get the look, now I am using the lower lash mascara on my lower lash. To highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I am using the glitter eyeliner from Nykaa. Then I am using the kajal in nude shade. Apply eyelashes to complete the look. And here is the final look.